Okay, so something we are looking forward to this year that we're going to try new is going to be called pop-up get-togethers. And it's just simply a way that we can use this new feature in our app where we can look at who's nearby in the area where we are at, and we can just send out a message to say, hey, let's get together. So we're going to try it for the very first time tonight, but all you have to do is download the app, and then we will look at, and you'll check into where you are in your location, and we will be able to pinpoint where we're at, and we'll send it out to people that are in a certain mile radius. And tonight we're going to try hanging out and watching the Chiefs game. So we're going to see how this goes. So let us show you how this works. And we're going to plan to start doing these just random pop-up get-togethers wherever we are when we can get together. Maybe it'll be at our RV, maybe it'll be at a brewery or a pizza shop, who knows, but we're looking forward to just continuing to build community and gather people together. It's gonna be great. Here they come. Heyo! Okay, message sent out and people arrive. Look at that.
𝐁𝐞𝐥𝐿, their goal line defense with Montgomery the back on 4th and goal.
Whoa, wait, whoa. No! Bummer!
The catch, but the block on the air gave him a chance. And on the pass, 2 goals from Montgomery.